Hello everyone, we are now here in Vietnam as
Huh?
an outbound student. Outbound? Yes. Outbound? As an
Kapong
outbound.
Kang.
Kapong ka. Vietnam man. Ariga.
Vietnam, di ba? No? Uy, arigato. Vietnam, arigato.
Uy, Vietnam.
Vietnamese ba
Oh,
tayo?
Viet
Kapong Kang.
Thailand man gud na. Thailand man na tayo. Yes. Kapong ka Thailand.
Ano sa Vietnam?
Sawadee.
Man, man, man.
So, our first class earlier was okay. Why you look so
So,
beautiful? Let's have a conversation. Why you look so beautiful?
because I'm born this way. Nagod ko picture sa una yung ano.
Okay, ano?
Una ni sa do.
Okay, ano?
Tapos na po, di ka nang.
Do you have dimple?
Ay, walang. Talaga.
O di butan?
Hmm?
O di butan? Di pa? Dako lagi kiko na. Ay, ako.
Paano man yung now? Tama, may wala akong type face.
Mo, I
Ano
have
di ba?
face.
Very niya.
What's your
So guys,
Facebook?
let's. Do you want to go with us and see what's around us? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Uy, wag vlog-vlog ka na. Tapos wala kayo cellphone, laptop lang yung.
Believe you can and you are halfway there.
Yes, that's a motivation. Glasses.
Guys, we're so tired, but we're
Kada gani
beautiful.
sa
So,
una nga mga picture no. Yung mga karaan na old school na vibes. Ga picture ga ano ka, ga upload ka. Lami ka mag-sige upload sa Facebook ay para like ma-shame ka at some point.
ano mo shame ka?
I don't know.
It's your Facebook. Who cares?
Should we stop and try and see what we recorded?
Okay.